The University of Idaho is a special place. It is part of the very fabric of the state of Idaho. The students it educates and the research it conducts are important drivers of the state's economy, creating better lives for all of us. Today, I'm asking you to join me in helping to protect our great university and to keep it special and viable. This upcoming Idaho legislative session represents a very important crossroad regarding the future of higher education in Idaho. This year alone, the University of Idaho has had its state appropriation slashed by $22 million, a 16% reduction. This disinvestment is dangerous, and it threatens the success of the university and all the students it educates. The university has successfully but painfully dealt with these cuts. But how much more can it sustain before the quality and depth of the student experience is truly jeopardized? Alumni of institutions such as ours often ask, "What can I do to help?" Today is your chance to help and to help us make a real difference. It's as simple as making a phone call or sending an email. Please join me in contacting your state legislators and voicing your support of adequate state funding of higher education in Idaho. It is an investment that provides enormous returns for our people and our economy. The time is now to rally together and raise our voices in support of higher education in Idaho. Thank you so much for your truly significant support.